Just put the rubber thing on the shifter. Still got a lot of work to do yet on that. Packing it up for today, so that's the tranny, and this is what we were working on today. Got the deck painted. Buffed it out good. Not done yet. We're gonna have to paint it. Had some real bad scratches. So we just tried a green, a forest green, but it's a little too bright. And look at this. The snow this morning I'm blowing and all that, and look. It's like 50 degrees out here or something. Now it's just a mud mess. Park it up there. You locked it in? I'll get it. It's still hard enough ground that I could get it back in here. Otherwise, you're screwed. Nah, I'm good. I was gonna lock it anyway. Don't look too bad. Yeah, see, I backed the Husqvarna in because it don't really want to go in reverse, but it'll kind of move and drive. Yeah. So I can get it out of there. Let's see something. Ah, dang it, this thing's a stick. I was just thought this might have our tranny for this thing. Oh, that's it? But it's a stick. See, the only thing I can think of is if we don't have an automatic, we got so many sticks, we make it a stick. Well, it's the same frame as this one. You can technically just switch all the stuff over to this one, for that matter. Yeah, that green don't look bad. I think if we made a stripe, it wouldn't look... See, in the sun, it's you'll notice it, but it's very minor. No, so I think if we make a stripe, make it a custom color series. No, look at that blacktop. Yeah, at least we got no ice. Yeah. But what a mud mess. I'm glad I put the bowlings back. Yeah, you imagine where I had the bowlings, if I didn't move it when I did it. It would have made ruts the size of Kansas. Right now, look at it. You can drive up there. No, you see how I drove it in. Should have went mud bogging with the rental. If I knew what I know now, maybe I would have got something like that because it's a little easier to get into. My car kind of hurts my back once in a while. You heard already? You can use this. Yeah? Yeah, you know that's nice. That's already. Yeah, no, Look at that. It's like the Batmobile.
Oh, where's my mouse dropping?
Oh, that's right. We got to do that. Let's see if I can close it from there. Yep, look.
You close it too?
Yeah. Fancy schmancy. Yeah, I don't see us using the plow.
No, not even.
Not if it's 70 degrees.